Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a really good trader. So be smart about the way that you trade. Alrighty, hey traders, in this video I want to talk about and give you guys a bit of an update what I'm seeing happening right now in the silver and gold market. So that's what I want to talk about right now and what's happening. So the first thing that I do see here looking at, this is the gold chart here, is over the last, since August, right, we've been slowly stepping up, and notice how we've actually started to just go pretty much just straight up, right? Now it's not vertical straight up, but we've been going pretty much straight up ever since basically November. A little bit of pullback and then a rise through there. Now what does that mean? If you look at the gold chart, notice how we've got 52. Notice how it only gets a certain price away before we get a pullback, right? Look at that there. See how it just got the exact same length away before it had a pullback. Same through here. See the distance it gets away? It didn't get a pullback then, did it? It actually kept going down, and then the same through here as well too. This was actually more like the last dip, and then the market rose. So we had this bit through here as well too. You can see that through there, and you can see where we are right now looking at that. So what I mean by that is that we are in an overall upward trend on the short term. On the long term, on that weekly chart, still question whether we're going to start to see a overall bull run. That's the question mark. But we are due for some sort of a pullback here through here. Now, depending on what happens with that, we are due for some sort of a pullback. We don't know when that pullback's going to happen, but it does look like that we are due for some sort of a pullback, and then it'll see what's going to happen with silver. Sorry, with gold, with that there. Man, I can't talk this morning. So on the short term, guys, we are getting a little bit overextended to the upside, and we are due for some sort of a pullback. So that's what I'm seeing there right now. And on the silver market as well too, silver has actually continued to rise up. It actually stopped right at my resistance line here, which is this resistance around this sort of $16 level, and we paused, and now we're getting a little bit of a pushback through here. So I would expect a little bit more of a pushback here, especially off silver and gold, because look how far away it is from the 52. So we may even just go sideways for a while and allow that 52 to catch up, because that's what generally happens, right? When we go for a run, it either goes sideways. You can see through here, right? Like you can see on this section through here, when the market dropped, it just went sideways. 52 almost caught up and we went for another run. Pullback, almost got to 52 and for another run. Makes sense? So we're getting a pullback. We may go sideways and allow this 52 to catch up, or a bit of a pullback, and then potentially, I don't know, but potentially another run. So that's what I'm seeing there right now on the silver and gold market. If you're struggling with the trading right now, then I want you to click on the very first link in the description, because I'm going to give you a free trial to the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be giving you brand new trainings and helping you on all the areas become what I call the Master Trader. Plus, I'm going to give you 6 massive bonuses as well too. Bonus number 1 is the framework to a successful trader. This is a whole course. Bonus number 2, the chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course. Bonus number 3, the advanced chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 4 is the Millionaire Mindset Master course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 5 is the Master Trader Breakthrough bonuses, a whole bunch of bonuses. And also bonus number 6, you can get a free trial. Plus, I'm going to give you a massive discount. You can lock it in right now. So click on the very first thing in the description right now, and I'll see you on the next page.